Behind the blast door lies a ramp that leads down to an area that can only be described as a flesh foundry. This peculiar kind of central hub room has three kind of rest areas for similar constructs as the one who picked up the corpses in the courtyard. The two that are here right now lie dormant in a kind of a sleep state in their little stations, and once the construct arrives here from outside, it's going to come to the center of the room and toss all the carcasses it picked up over the railing into the central drain, which leads to some sort of a giant cauldron filled with a kind of gumbo of death. It's just a red broth made up of body parts and body fluids and all sorts of icky stuff. Once it's done that, it's going to go to the southeastern pod and rest there and lie dormant as well. If it picked up any of the paralyzed players, it's going to toss them down the drain as well, and splashing into this horrible gumbo is going to be the thing that wakes the players from their paralyzed state. In this room, there isn't much really to describe other than it's pitch black in here. The floors, walls, and ceilings are all covered in this sort of thick grime. It's all kind of very dark reddish brown in here, and there are 8 doors in this room leading to all 4 directions here. There's doors that have every single door has the same sort of dent in it as the blast door, so the same key can be used to open the doors, and now that the constructs lie dormant, it's very easy to remove the appendage with the key from any of them. Going in order on the rooms, their kind of runic symbols can be interpreted again if a player knows Abyssal or if they make a good religion check, because this is all still kind of demonic language here. The door behind letter A is tannery. Behind B is a drainage vault. Behind C is disembowlery. And behind D is grinder. Behind E is marrow-torium. Behind F is crusher. Behind G is sewer. And behind H is workshop. And we'll work onward from there. And first we'll start with the gumbo downstairs.